Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this short tutorial I will show you that how to change country location in YouTube. So without wasting any time, let's start. First of all, click on the U icon which is in the bottom of your mobile screen. So click on it. After that, click on setting bar which is on the upper side of your mobile screen. After that, here you can see general settings. So click on it. Then scroll down. Here you can see location. So click on it. As you see that my current location is United States, so I want to change it. For example, I want to be Sri Lanka. So as you can see that my location is changed. So this is a very easy method that how can you change your country location in YouTube. So for more videos like this, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.